was here at the garage, I spotted these beautiful scooters. 3 guys from Wales came over and I just love these scooters. I wasn't filming at the time, but I got some good pictures, and it's just the designs on them, and scooters all the way from Wales as well. Going to pop in here into the Haven Hotel. I'll be given a tip of milk churns for the road adventures, so let's see if the milk churns are in here. Lions as well. I've actually hit the jackpot. There is lions there, so I need lions. There's milk churns, and then there's an archway to the right hand side as well. So I've actually hit the jackpot here. I came in for 1 and leaving with 3. Happy days.